Hi friends, in previous session we learned the date def function. So with the help of this function we know the year difference from start date end date is the help of interval year, month, day. Now in this session we learn one more function called date part. So I'm removing these queries. Okay, I'm removing these queries. We have a function date part. So what is the use of this date part? By using this date part, we can get the specific part from the date. So for example, we have a date, select, okay, select get data. So this get data gives today data, right? Get date function is used to get the today data. Now what I want, if I run this query, so it is giving year, month, date and time. So client asked me, i want I want a current year only, I don't want a month, date and time, I just want a year. So he want only year from current data. So how to get a current year instead of complete data? So with the help of date part function I can get a current year. So how to how to get a year from the data? Okay, now select, okay, select date part. So interval, what I want a year only, I want a year. So giving date, get a date, as I'm giving alias name as a date. If I run this query, okay, if I run this query, I will get a only year. Now client asked me, I don't want a year. Now I want only month. Instead of complete data, I want a month. Now how to get a month from the given data, given date or a current date. Okay. Now select date. Okay. Select date part. So instead of year I'm giving a month interval. Okay, get a data. Okay, as alias name I'm giving month. So whatever you want alias name you can give anything. Okay, as your wish. Now see, I'm getting the month is a 5 instead of a complete date. Now client asked, I want only date. So complete data I don't want, I want only today data. So how to how to get how to get days from the given data? Now select date part. Okay, instead of a year, a month, I'm giving the interval as a day. Okay, get a data, get date, it will give the today data as a day. Now run this query, I will get a only day. Now is a day is a 3. So like this, by using date part we can get okay, we can get a year, month, day. Okay, and client asked me how to mean, he want a time and he don't want a data. Okay, he don't want a year, month, days. So he want a time only. How to get a time? Okay, how to get a time from the given date? Okay, from the given date. So instead of now select date part. Okay, date part. So I'm giving hour. Okay, I'm giving hour, get date. Okay, as hour I'm giving the alias name. Okay, now run this query, we'll get the time. See, hour is a 23. So if observe here, 23 is a hour. So like this we can get a specific part from the given data. So with the help of date part, I can access, I means I can get a year, I can get a month, I can get a day, or I can get a hour. So SQL provide the some predefined date functions. All these functions will use in a real time. So now practice for how to use these date functions. In coming sessions we learn the real time example to by using these date functions. Okay. Okay friends, thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.